In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up a document in Pandadoc. Let's walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect when someone sends you a document to sign using Pandadoc. You don't need a Pandadoc account just to sign, you only need the email that contains the invitation. First, open the email you received from Pandadoc. Inside that email, you'll see a button that says Open Document. Go ahead and click that. This will open the document in your web browser, and you'll be taken directly to Pandadoc's online viewer. Give it a moment to load, and once it's open, you'll see the document laid out on screen. At the top right of the page, you should see a button labeled Start. Click that Start button. Pandadoc will automatically scroll you to the first place in the document where your attention is needed, usually a required field like your name, date, or signature. This is really helpful because it saves you from having to search through the document manually. When you reach the area where you need to sign, you'll see a signature field, often outlined in red or clearly marked so you can't miss it. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear asking you to create your signature. Here, Pandadoc gives you three main options. You can type your name and let Pandadoc generate a signature style for you. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, which is great if you want something that looks more like how you actually sign. Or if you already have a saved image of your signature, you can upload that file. Take a moment to choose the option you're most comfortable with. When you're happy with how your signature looks, click the button that says Accept and Sign. Your signature will now be placed into the document. Once your signature is in, check if there are any remaining required fields. Pandadoc usually guides you automatically, but you can also scroll to make sure everything's filled out. When you're done, look for the Finish button at the top or sometimes at the bottom of the page. Click Finish to complete the process. This final step locks in your signature and automatically sends a notification to the person who requested your signature, letting them know the document is now signed and ready on their end.